Walk into almost any major global enterprise today, and you will find an immense physical infrastructure dedicated to technology. Across industries and geographies, organizations have spent massive amounts of capital deploying artificial intelligence. They have activated thousands of user licenses, configured endless dashboards, and rolled out new software suites across their entire workforce. This chart isolates the reality of those investments against expectations. Research from Boston Consulting Group shows that 5% of companies are currently achieving AI value at scale, leaving 95% of organizations struggling to see a return. This divide traces back to a specific, unbudgeted variable: the human capability required to operate these tools effectively. Activating a software license creates the appearance of progress. But if an organization invests millions in a tool and ignores the training of the human minds expected to use it, that software is effectively dead capital. Corporate leaders often defend their rollout strategies by pointing directly to their internal training budgets. They assume the problem is being handled because they are paying for upskilling platforms. DataCamp research illustrates a paradox. 82% of enterprise leaders report providing AI training, yet 59% still report a significant AI skills gap. Clicking through a passive video course produces awareness, but lacks the applied practice necessary to use AI effectively in daily work. To be clear, we aren't talking about a shortage of machine learning engineers or software developers. The enterprise does not need a sudden influx of people who can build large language models from scratch. What they are missing is foundational AI literacy. Employees need to know how to interpret an output with professional skepticism, when to trust a recommendation, and how to apply these tools responsibly within the specific context of their role. Awareness without applied practice leads to adoption without judgment. Giving an entire workforce a powerful productivity tool without the skills to verify its work creates a highly unpredictable organizational risk. When you scale this problem out of individual boardrooms and look at entire national economies, the stakes become much higher. In South Africa, the IT landscape provides a clear case study. Industry experts note that rapid technological change has collided directly with educational misalignment and the ongoing migration of skilled workers. The pipeline of local talent cannot keep up with the speed at which cloud computing and AI are being introduced. When users accept biased outputs or ignore flawed automated decisions, those individual mistakes integrate directly into the organization's core operations. As these unchecked errors accumulate and repeat, they trigger a chain reaction that transforms an isolated oversight into a systemic structural failure. Across emerging tech hubs, organizations are demanding advanced AI results while failing to fund the foundational steps, like continuous mentorship and realistic on-the-job exposure, required to safely oversee those results. On a macroeconomic level, this capability gap acts as a slow-motion governance failure that threatens long-term national competitiveness. For business leaders, the immediate action is structural. They must stop treating AI training as an administrative compliance task and start treating human capability building as a strategic capital investment. Simply increasing the volume of generic video content available to employees will not close the deficit. Yearning design must shift toward continuous, practical AI application embedded directly into daily workflows. Literacy requirements must be tailored to the specific, relevant tasks of each role. This line graph tracks two diverging financial paths. Organizations with mature, organization-wide upskilling programs are nearly twice as likely to report significant positive return on investment from their AI deployments compared to those relying on standard, passive training. This financial advantage compounds. The organizations that successfully bridge their internal skills gap will pull away from competitors who treat their software as a silver bullet, widening the performance divide with every passing quarter. Technology itself is sterile. It does not deliver value on its own. Only human beings applying that technology intelligently and responsibly can actually unlock the returns the enterprise was promised.